and welcome back to another how-to. This is Barb from CloudCat, and today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble and how to use the Yocan Sip. So if that's something that you're interested in, grab something to smoke and stick around. Here are all the items you need from the box. The only thing that I have here you can't see is the terp pearl because it's in the atomizer already, so make sure you grab one. Go ahead and grab the silicone ring to put on the bottom of the cup for extra protection and stability. Go ahead and grab the atomizer and screw it onto the main part of the vaporizer as I'm showing you here. Screw it on well, just make sure you don't screw it on too tight. Next, grab your straw and go ahead and feed it through the little hole on the extended loop of the carb cap. Go ahead and take the straw now and insert it into the hole across from the atomizer. There's nothing there to stop it, so just push it in as far as you like. Next, we're going to go ahead and insert the down stem on the bottom. Just push it in a little bit like I did here. There's nothing to stop it from going in all the way. Next, we're going to go ahead and add some water. And as you see here, Yocan was awesome enough to add a water line. Go ahead and fill the water to the top of the 3 lines. And go ahead and add that vaporizer into the cup. Ignore that down stem. I know it's broken, but it'll still work. Water's added, so let's go ahead and do a quick function test. It looks good. And I'm adding in the terp pearl here for good function. As you see here, one of those little knobbies is a dab tool that's always available and ready to go. The other one is your power button, 5 clicks on, 5 clicks off, and also your temp joystick. Move the joystick up, down, left, or right to get to one of the temperatures on screen. It's your standard double click to start your sesh, and if for some reason you did it by mistake and you need to stop it, just double click again. Here I just wanted to show you can use different cups with this. Just make sure the top isn't too wide. Let's do a quick demo sesh. Cheers, guys. Here's the other cup I chose. Make sure to take out the down stem for a dry dab if it's this short. Cheers. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Also, don't forget to check out our Instagram page at CloudCat Stash. We're always showing off new products and doing giveaways, so don't miss out on that. And let me know if you have any questions in the comments. See you later. Bye.